Welcome to the new My Employer on the Go mobile app experience. To begin, you'll need to download the My Employer on the Go app from your app store. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, log in with your My Employer on the Go credentials. Upon logging in, you're brought to your dashboard. You have your selection of menu options, as well as announcements and tasks assigned by your leadership. Click View to enlarge the message. To toggle between your tasks, you can scroll left to right. Click View on your task. You can update the status on if it's deferred, not started, pending input, completed or in progress. Click Confirm, and you get a confirmation message. If timekeeping is enabled, you can clock in and out from your home screen. If labor allocation is enabled, select your department or location, click Complete Clock In, and you get a confirmation message. You can also clock in and out by using the time clock screen. If GPS is enabled, you're brought to a map. You can clock in and out from here, view your recent punch history across the bottom. If you want to view a full time card, click the timesheet button. You're brought to your current pay period, where you can see all of your punches. Toggle between different pay periods, arrow at the top, selecting your date and choosing Confirm. To request time off, click Request Time Off. View your available balances in the upper right-hand corner. To put a request in, choose your benefit type, your start and end date, and if applicable, leave a note. Click Add Request, and you'll get a confirmation message. Your time off request history is across the bottom. Select the filter, and you can choose to see approved, pending approval, canceled, or denied request. Make your selection and click Apply, and you can see that history. To view your pay stub, click Pay Stub. You're brought to your most current pay period. You have a breakdown of your earnings, taxes, deductions, and if you scroll down, you see an even more breakdown of the items. Toggle between different pay periods by again selecting the blue button and selecting your date. And you can also view a year-to-date view by clicking year-to-date across the top. If there are any additional years available, you can select the blue drop-down and select your year and click Confirm. To view an employee directory, click Employee Directory, and from here, you can search through your list of coworkers. It does display in alphabetical order, so you can scroll or you can type, and you can also use the filter button. Click on the individual's name, and if there is an email address or a phone number, you can call or email directly from the app. To reset your password, select the menu button from the upper right-hand corner and click Reset Password. You'll be asked to enter in your old password as well as your new one twice, and then click Reset. To view your employee information, select the menu and go to Employee Info. And here, you can confirm if your demographic information is accurate. If you need to make a change, log in to My Employer on the Go web portal or reach out to your manager. When you're done, select the menu option and choose to sign out.